Ethiopia on Thursday sent second round of logistic support for its more than 4,400 peacekeeping troops deployed to Somalia. Habib Mohammed has attended the event.
Despite having been driven out from a string of towns by the African Union mission in Somalia, AMISOM force, the Alshabaab guerrilla units continue to carry out daily attack in Mogadishu. As a result, the United Nations voted to boost AMISOM force and requested Ethiopian peacekeeping troops to join them in clearing Alshabaab militant threats. Ethiopia has so far sent 4,403 peacekeeping troops to Somalia and has given a mandate to protect sectors 3 and 4, which covers Gedio, Bayo and Bakar areas as well as central Somalia. The second round of logistic support has been sent to Somalia, where the first round has already been deployed.
The Ethiopian National Defense Force peacekeeping mission has already joined the African Union peacekeeping mission in Somalia, AMISOM, recently. Ethiopia has been playing a major role in ensuring peace and security in the region, and this one is a continued commitment to restoring peace and security in the region as per the request of the United Nations, AMISOM, and the Somali government.
Major General Hassan Ibrahim, head of the Ethiopian International Peacekeeping Training Center, stated that Ethiopia ranks fourth in the world in contributing peacekeeping troops.
በዓለም ከፍተኛ ሰራዊት ካሰማሩ ሀገሮች 7591 ሰራዊት በማሰማራት
Ethiopia has received continental and international recognition by ranking fourth in the world for its contribution in peacekeeping. We have deployed 7,591 peacekeepers in different areas in East Africa region. Not only does it constitute big numbers, but the military is discharging its mission with courage. We have proven this by successfully accomplishing peace in Abyei. This additional commitment to deploy 4,403 troops to Somalia will raise the number of Ethiopian peacekeepers to a total of 11,994.
Defense Logistics Head Major General Ibrahim Abdul Jalil noted that logistics support includes armaments, medical-related items and communication materials, among other things.
The first round of logistic support has already been deployed to Somalia. The second round, consisting of 157 vehicles full of logistic materials, has just been transported to Somalia. This one is unique as it is happening after a short period of preparation time with the support of the Ethiopian Metal Engineering Corporation.
Ethiopian Defense Force Minister Siraj Fagesa gave the official work directives for peacekeepers.
The loss of peace of our neighbors also concern us as we think about sustaining our own country's internal development. That is why we are at the forefront to ensure peace and security in Darfur, Abyei and Somalia. Ethiopia has written its history in blood by playing a great role in ensuring peace and security between the two Sudans. The United Nations request for Ethiopia to join the AMISOM force proves that our peacekeepers are resolute in executing their missions.
Ethiopia has contributed troops to the United Nations operation in Congo, Liberia, Burundi, Darfur, Abyei, among other places.